Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, this channel is for all post-production work in Final Cut Pro. This channel is to help you level up your post-production skills in Final Cut Pro. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing. Now let's get right into the video. Today we'll be going over a different way to use transitions in Final Cut Pro. Usually a lot of people use transitions to transition to another scene, but today we'll be using transitions on one scene to see how effective that can be. So what we're going to do here is we are going to move a bit up in the timeline, and we're just going to blade. So Command B. I'm going to move a bit up in the timeline, Command B again. And we're going to do this about 7 times. And today we're going to use the flash transition and the clone spin transition. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to our transitions right here in the transitions tab, and we're going to go to lights. And we're going to click on flash, and we're going to drag the flash transition here. We're going to drag another flash transition right here, and we can shorten up the length. I'm going to drag one more right there, and then we are going to go to replicators / clones, and we're going to add a clone spin to the next one, shorten the length a little bit. And then we are going to go back to the lights transition and add flashes for the rest of those. And we can shorten the length to whatever you want it to be. And we're just going to finish this out right here. Now when we play this back, let's see what this looks like. I think it's a bit rushed. So what we're going to do here is we're going to delete these transitions. This is the work that comes with this if you don't get it right the first time. But as a video editor, you know that post-production can take a while if you're serious about your work. So we're gonna join all clips so we can reblade, and we're gonna try to space out the blades even more. So put a blade right there, space it out a bit, blade right there. Put a blade right here. All right, now we can try those again. We're gonna add the flash. Add one to the beginning as well. Another flash. Replicator clones, clone spin transition. And then I'm gonna finish off with the lights. Again, the flash. Now let's see how this is looking. It's taking a while to load. Looks pretty good though. I like that pace a lot better than the one we started in the beginning. And this is just a different way to use your transitions instead of going to another scene. you can stay on the same scene and just replicate the transitions or mix them any way you will please. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this video helped you out in any way, please consider liking and subscribing, because we will be dropping a lot more content just like this and even better. So if you have any questions or concerns, just comment down below. If you want any plugins or tutorials that you want to see, comment below and I will be glad to get back with you. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much.